Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a USB installation file on your Mac. First of all, you need to download the Mac OS you want to install. In this situation, I want to install my Catalina, which is one of the old Mac OS we have out there. So download the DMG file. I'm going to leave a link in my video description that will help you download the Catalina and the most recent one, which is Big Sur, as the time this video was recorded. What you need to do is double tap on your DMG file and wait for it to extract this. Now the extraction is done, so what we have to do is pick our USB and insert it into our USB slot. Make sure you insert your USB into your MacBook. Now what you have to do is so I have my Toshiba USB showing over here. What I have to do now is to right click on this one over here, the install macOS Catalina.app, and I'll go to show package content. I'm not going to back this up, show package content, and I'm going to open this content. Now I'm going to navigate to resources. So let me try finding where my resources folder is. So that's my resources folder. It was just right in front of my face here. And now I'm going to look for a file called create install media. Create install media. Here we are. Okay, so now that I have this, I have to open my terminal. I'll open a new terminal here. This is my new terminal. I'm going to enlarge this for viewing sake. Okay, so now that I have my terminal, what I'm going to do is now to drag in certain files and type in certain commands. So first of all, we are going to type in sudo, which stands for super user do, and I'm going to drag in my create install media. So I'll drag this into my terminal. Okay, like that. I've dragged that into my terminal, create install media. Now after that, what I'm going to do is type -- volume, and I'll introduce a space. Okay, after that I need to drag in my USB. So I'll come here, Toshiba, and I'll drag this Toshiba inside my terminal. This is not working. Should work. I'll drag it inside again. Yes, and now it works. Okay, so now getting this, now what I need now to do is hit enter on my keyboard, and I'll type in my password and I'll hit enter. Okay, so it's going to blink for some time before it starts processing this. So let's wait for it to start. Okay, so after about 7 to 9 minutes of blinking, here I am. It says to continue, we need to erase the volume at your Toshiba USB. Okay, so if you wish to continue, type Y and press return. And of course, yes, I want to continue, so I'll type in capital Y and I'll hit enter on my keyboard. So it's going to erase this. After erasing, it's now going to create an installation file on my Toshiba USB drive. So wait for this to finish. It's going to take several minutes for this to be done. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video here. Once it's done, I'll be back and talk to you. Alright guys, so as you can see, first of all it erased the disk, which was the USB, and it copied the file starting from 0 up to 10% all the way to 100%. So that's it for creating the bootable file. Now I'm going to switch over to my MacBook, which I'm going to do the installation from, and we are going to start from there.